Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video, we are going to solve a room name called Valenfind. It is in a TryHackMe room, a CTF challenge, and let's start the video. So, in CTF challenge, here is a card, right? And here is a message for us. There is a new dating app called Valenfind just popped up out of there. Nowhere. I hear I hear the creator only learned to code this year. Surely this might be a vibe coded app. Can you exploit it? And we have access for this particular app here. That means a particular person have developed a website and he has been vibe coded that whole website. We need to exploit that website. Okay. So as we are on this web page, we have you find your Valentine and the button start your journey. If we click here, we redirect to the register page where we will create an account called admin and admin password as admin and the username as admin, and we will register. So after that we will log in with that credentials like admin and admin. Once we log in, as we can see here, we got potential matches near me or near you, and we see here your profile, my profile page button. In this the details about the profile. So this not might be important for us because if we see further, let's see further first. We will see the profiles and then we will come back to this. So first of all, we will start our burp suite. So we need to capture all the requests. So let's start the burp suite. So burp suite has been started, right? So we will come at here and the proxy section, minimize it. We will turn on proxy extension in our Chrome browser. In our browser, I am using here Firefox. So let's go. We did it. Okay. From disable, we did burp. Now let's nothing special here. See share log. Looking here for mystery to solve or date. Okay. Nothing special here. Nothing special here also. Let's look for something different, independent, looking for a collection of soul. We don't have something interesting here, right? I love long walks at night, biting necks, and okay, nothing special here. Okay, okay, this is something interesting, right? This is something interesting, right? I keep the database secure, no picking. Okay, if we click on send Valentine button, you send a like. Okay, that means when we send Valentine, it sends a like. Okay, if we click here, like, then you already like this person, don't be distracted. Okay, let's see the my profile section. Here we can add our name, other stuff. Okay, now let's check out the burp suite, right? We will see the request there in the target section. As we can see here, we got all the requests here. So first we will see this API fetch layout. Okay, nothing special here. Now we need to search JavaScript, right? So let's look for JavaScript. So in dashboard, okay, this is all about CSS, HTML. Downside we will see JavaScript, right? The downside of the website. Okay, you can't see a JavaScript. Okay, my profile. This will go down. No changes. We will see here at profile section. Okay, Okay, just wait a second. As we can see here, we got JavaScript or document add image listener. Okay, load theme, function load theme, layout name, feature, dynamic layout fetching. And as we can see here, we have vulnerability layout parameter allows LFI. LFI means local file inclusion, right? So we have this vulnerability in the layout section when it is fetching, okay, from the API. You can see here we have a get request. In this we have this API fetch layout and the theme of the particular. Now we need to, this isn't vulnerability, now we need to exploit it. That means we need to try different types of parameters so we can fetch our database or our flag that we need to find on this CTF challenge. Okay. So first of all, we will send this request to the repeater. Right click and send to repeater. And repeater will edit this request, this get request. We'll try a default parameters. There are many parameters that we can try. That is dot slash dot, okay, dot slash dot, and we will try to etc and w password. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fetch the files from the server called passwords. There might be saved passwords in the system, right? So we are going to fetch that files from the server. So let's see if we can do or not. Okay, as I wish we got the users and the password list, but this is not something that we want because we want many things, like we want particular users that has been in the server and many things others. Okay, so let's try something different. Let's try to pull out shadow file and send the request. Okay, we got shadow also. As we can see here, we got the password hash, users password hash, but this is not also important for us. We will try something different. We'll try host and send. Okay, we have this type of host available. Okay, as we got error here, you can see here we got a full path to the components path. Okay, we got the full path to the components. Okay, so let's copy this components path and we'll what we can do is we will paste here and we will see which type of components are available in this particular thing or which type of themes are available, okay, in the website. So let's resend the request and we'll send the request. Okay, it says not available, I think. Okay, and here what we can try is app.py because Python is the file that is being used for the backend. So we can request the Python code to review here. So it is not available. So we'll once again we'll go back and we will send the request. Okay, as you can see here, we got the full code of Python. And okay, as you can see here, we have a Python code. And as I told you about the Python, that in this we have in this Python code we have SQLite 3 is been used, and in back in video I told you Flask is also been used in this thing because it has a rendering feature which renders which renders templates. Okay, so okay, we will go down, and as you can see here, we got admin API key. Okay, so let's copy this API key. It might be helpful further. So okay, where is the notes? And this notes we will paste this admin API key. Okay, so let's see further. So the database is SQLite. Okay, this is the create table users. We will see for routes. Okay, in Python there are routes, as we know. So we'll see for routes. Okay, app route here, register. Then we will go down, complete profile, not useful. My profile, not useful. Then we will see go login. Okay, not useful. Profile useful. Okay, not useful that much. Get user. Okay, like. Okay, not that much. Okay, this after that logout. Okay, this is something that means it exports DB file. Okay, that is admin API admin export. And this what it does is we have defined the function here, authenticator header, where request a header get. If the header is this Valentine token, X Valentine token, then only okay, with that header we need API key also. Okay, admin API key. Then only it will return a database. It will return a file. Okay, attached and download valentine leak.db. It executes, and I think that it exports the DB. Okay, DB file. That means data file get exposed when we use this as a header. When we use admin API as a header. Okay, with X Valentine token. So let's do it. We'll try to access this and let's see what is there in the export DB file. So let's copy this API here and then come here in the request. We need to cancel this out. Okay, everything, and then we will paste here. Okay, we'll go back here, and with that we will add a header. The header name is X Valentine token. With this token, what we can do is we can add our API. API is here. We'll copy this from here, and here is a token. List it, and now everything is set. Is there something more that we need to explore? Let's look. Okay, no. Python code gets end here. Okay, nothing more that we need to explore. So let's send this request. Okay, what it's saying is forbidden, missing invalid admin token. Something is missing. Okay. As you can see here, we left out here comma. Okay, and now we will send the request. Okay. As a result, I told you SQLite is being used here. SQLite is used here as a backend for tables and other stuff for the database. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to find the things like okay, password, real name, email, number, phone number, address, like, avatar, and admin new to Valenfind default. Let's see if we get something flag or something. Okay, this keep secure. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, why this hell is going right side? Go. As you can see here, we got the flag, right? Okay, let me do it here. Okay, you can see here we got the flag. Let's copy paste it and let's complete the lab. Let's complete the CTF challenge. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit that like button and follow for such videos. I make stuff related to cybersecurity and ethical hacking every day. So follow along with me to the journey. So this is what for this video. I will meet you next video. Till then, bye.